Hello and welcome back. My little friend right here. I have misplaced my lighting kit, and so I'm using a flashlight. So bear with me. We'll get through it. It's all good. Never perfect. Always working on it. Anyways, so I'm really excited to make this video today because this. I cannot believe what I'm looking at. I mean, like, look at what you guys have done for me. It's like absolutely insane. I mean, look at that. 200 views, 10 subscribers, and 15 uploads. I mean, seriously. I am like so over the moon. I mean, like, I started out with 0. I started out with absolutely nothing when I started this channel. I had no subs, I had no views, I had no uploads. And now, I mean, look how much I've grown. It's insane. I'm so grateful, I'm so excited, and I'm so blessed. I'm trying not to cry, just so you know, because I'm just through the roof excited. I would love to thank every one of you for everything that you've done to this point. I understand that, you know, it's not like monumentous growth, but I came to those numbers through hard work, research, and a lot of hours of no sleep. Really quick, I wanted to add the fact that when I started YouTube, I had no training whatsoever. I had no understanding of YouTube at all. I literally turned on a camera, started filming myself, and threw it up. And at this point, that first video I threw up is at 31 views. It literally, to my knowledge, the last time I looked, is the highest ranking viewed video I have put up. So to literally see me evolve and change and understand YouTube to a degree that I didn't understand when I first started is absolutely fantastic. I'm starting to understand words that I didn't understand before, and I'm understanding the importance of those words. So I really kind of wanted to touch base on that part. The fact that I walked into this with 0 understanding and grew my channel to all of those numbers. So if you happen to be watching this at the time that I put it up, you can grow your channel too. You don't have to have any special training, understanding, or anything to just literally start your channel. It just takes bravery. It takes courage. And I hope that one day you do too. So I don't know what to say. Thank you doesn't feel appropriate. I feel like I should say something more than just thank you, but there's nothing that actually would allow for me to express what it is I'm feeling inside. I'm so grateful for everything right now. And I can definitely tell that we're going to grow and that we're going to expand and we're going to reach a whole nother chapter in this journey that we're having together. Which kind of actually leads into another part of this video. I have been rolling around changing the name of the channel. I am considering the possibility of TBI Journey instead of the name of the channel that I currently have. They do say that evolution is part of the process, and I think I have come to the point where changing the name wouldn't really necessarily put it at a negative. I feel that being more professional at this point would incredibly launch. It'll do the channel a lot of good to launch it to where I want it to be and reach the people that I want it to reach. So if you could do me a favor and comment that down below what you guys feel of changing the channel, and if you have any other ideas that may possibly sound just as good. I was also thinking too of TBI Discovery. So those are the two that I've been considering while I've been away and not doing my 2 uploads every week. It's been crazy around here, to say the least, but I'm grateful for it. I'm completely grateful. Do not get me wrong. Do not misunderstand this as not mean gratitude. I am absolutely happy to be doing this. I'm excited that I'm learning about what I should have learned about years ago and discovering parts of myself that I didn't know. So I hope this is actually doing a lot of good for you as well, because it's doing a lot of good for me. So if it's doing just as much good for you, then I'll consider today a success. Every day should be a success. I didn't really actually want to do this. It wasn't something that I hoped to do, but as kind of a heads up, the house that I clean, sooner or later I will remember to warm up the house. The house that I clean is my roommate's. It's not my house, and that my hope is that one day all of these lockdowns will release and that I can eventually get into my own place. As part of the reason why I'm not in my own place right now is because of the lockdowns. I will preface though, I'm incredibly grateful for my roommate for putting up with me and dealing with my garbage, and women are hormonal. Let's put it that way. Women are hormonal. So I'm grateful. I'll do a huge shout out to my roommate for, you know, keeping me warm, keeping me fed, keeping me clean, or at least helping with all of this. If I can figure out how to put a round of applause of how grateful I am to be in the situation that I'm in. Sometimes we can find blessings. It just takes a little while. But I'm completely shocked at how much this channel has grown and the amount of emotion that I have within inside of me for every one of you that has watched the channel, that's liked, subscribed, and shared for as long as I've been around. And I'm really new. I'm only a couple months old. So to actually get this far is shocking. It's completely shocking. So thank you, everybody, and I hope you have a lovely week.